Hello viewers, you are watching once again Swan Khabar editorial, and today we will talk on the traffic system of Tonk. Dear audience, if you live in the city then you would know very well how the traffic system here is deteriorating. The people also know how to dose the traffic police very well. At the behest of top official and politician of Tonk district, sometimes the traffic police of Tonk city is seen cutting challans on the road. And the people of Tonk are such that if the traffic police are seen standing, they start devising new tricks to dodge them. I think this matter should be taken seriously by Tonk Police Captain Om Prakash and Tonk District Collector. But if the traffic system of Tonk is improved, the chance of getting an accident will be reduced to some extent. It is not that there is no literacy in the Tonk. The people are here, despite being literate, do not follow the traffic rules. Some people come out with helmets and wear helmets as soon as the traffic police see them. Many times I have seen that if the traffic police start doing their work with great sincerity, they are big politicians who may not have any power. But the politicians ignore the rules by showing their identity from a big officer. They just leave. My question is to those traffic cops who let those famous politicians go breaking the rules. Should the politician not be punished for not following the rules? The traffic police stand calmly after being frightened by the words of these people. The audience is missing one more thing is such that there are some people who are very fond of committing bigotry if the traffic police caught them breaking any rule. If so, he takes out his phone and says that he should call SP or collector. So it is meant to say that many people are misusing their identity regarding traffic rules in the city, and this is absolutely wrong. I have not heard till today that someone brings a train to Tonk City through his identity. Today I want to tell these big and well-known people that do not put your identity in violating these rules, but in getting the rules followed by your relatives. Let me tell you that some such cases are also seen in front that children who have not been licensed are also seen driving vehicles. Motor vehicles with strict provisions for road safety with the aim of reducing road accident in the country, Bill 2019 was approved. This act was passed by Rajya Sabha after the discussion on the 31st July 2019 by 108 votes against 13, and let's tell you that this act was also passed in Lok Sabha on 23rd July. According to sources, it has been learned that the Motor Vehicles Bill 2019 has been brought by amending the Motor Vehicles Act of 1988. Under this, driving a vehicle by a minor will be punished with 25,000 and 3 years plus cancellation of registration of the vehicle, and the owner of the vehicle or the guardian of the minor will be considered guilty. This is also a strict provision that the minor will not get a license till the age of 25 years. But in Tonk district, all these acts are being floated fiercely. Sometimes the rules are enforced only after the strict instruction of the collector, and many times during the carelessness of the traffic police. The big leaders or the goons who do the bigotry openly float these rules, and the traffic police watch as spectators. In front of the traffic police, the car goes out in overspeed, bikers go without helmet, the cars and the other vehicles do not follow the road safety rules, and traffic police remains standing in front of them. To say that there are CCTV cameras installed at the well-known places of the Tonk city, but only after that there is no significant change in the observance of the rules in the road safety. Many people come out of the house with a helmet, and when the traffic police is not there, they do not wear the helmet. As soon as they see the police, they wear helmet. This is the thinking of the people of Tonk, and they are trying to make fool to the traffic police. It is a thought-provoking topic that how to inculcate loyalty to the traffic police among the people of the city. And I again request to Honorable Collector and SP Sahab which subject must be considered. Many times the traffic police of Tonk is seen fulfilling its target as per the instruction of the government. The only request from the traffic police of Tonk is that the country does not improve just because of high officials. When the grassroots levels workers perform their duty faithfully, then only when the country will develop all around. According to the way accidents keep happening in Tong City, according to him, Tong City needs to adapt to strict rules. If you like the video, then please like and share it as many people as possible. Let's see you again in the next video. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind.